Multi-factor authentication protects your applications by using a second source of validation, like a phone number or email, to verify user identity before granting access. This process is similar to when you forget your password and receive a link to create a new one through the email link to your account. Duo is used by Ohio Northern University for faculty and staff to provide a simple, streamlined login experience for every user that integrates easily with your existing technology. Start by opening your ONU email on your computer. You should have received an email with the subject line Duo Security Enrollment. In this email, navigate to the link below the text that reads, "Click this link to enroll a phone, tablet, or other device." This will open a new window that will guide you through the enrollment process. Start by left-clicking the Start Setup button. First, select your authentication device. This should be a device that you will always have on you, such as your mobile phone, but you can also use your tablet, security key, or Touch ID on newer laptops. Select your device, then left-click Continue. When using your mobile phone as your device, it'll then ask you to enter your phone number. Ensure that the United States is selected as your region, and then enter your 10-digit phone number into the text box. This will include your area code. When you enter your number, it will ask you to confirm that the number entered is correct. Read your number for errors, then left-click the empty checkbox to confirm it is correct. Be sure to correct your phone number if it is incorrect. When done, left-click Continue. Now select what type of phone you have. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be selecting iPhone, then click Continue. Because I selected iPhone, I will be prompted to download the iOS Duo app on my device. Go to your smart device's application store and search Duo Mobile. When the Duo app appears, tap the download button. Your app store will authenticate the free purchase, and the app will begin downloading to your device. With the app now installed on your phone, now click I have Duo Mobile installed on your computer. With the Duo Mobile app now installed, open the app on your phone by tapping the icon that looks like this on your device's home screen, or selecting Open from the App Store. Once in the app, be sure to allow notifications. Then select the plus sign in the top right corner. This will open a camera within the app and request access to your device's camera to scan the QR code on your computer screen. Do this by bringing your phone's camera up to your computer screen where you see the QR code on your phone screen. This will scan without having to tap any further buttons on your smartphone screen. This will register your phone as your authentication device and allow you to continue once the QR code appears with the green check mark over it. Left-click Continue to move on to the final step. Here you will once again confirm your phone number and then select your default settings for Duo. You can either select to choose an authentication method or automatically send this device a Duo push. Be sure to click Save if you change the setting before selecting Finish Enrollment. If you don't change the setting, whenever logging into an ONU-affiliated site such as my.onu.edu, you will be prompted with two authentication options, the first of which is Duo Push. When selecting Send Me a Push, you will receive a notification on your phone's lock screen. When opening this notification, it will open the Duo mobile app with a login request screen that tells you the location and time of the login for you to either approve or deny. Select Approve if this is you signing in and it will take you to your site. If not, make sure you select Deny instead. This will block anyone from signing into your account. The second option is to use a passcode. If you enter a passcode, you will need to manually open the Duo mobile app on your smartphone and enter the 6-digit code into the text box that you can find in the mobile app below Ohio Northern University. You may also receive this code as an SMS text message through your Messages app, or as a text on a non-smartphone cell phone. After establishing your default authentication device, you can now establish a backup device. We suggest you do this now, but know you can always modify this later. As you are prompted by the Duo software on your computer at login, navigate to the left side and select Add a new device. Authenticate that it is you adding the device by approving a push or entering code with your primary authentication device. Then, on the new screen, select Add another device. We recommend that you use your office phone as your second device. To do this, select the landline option. Then left-click Continue. Now, type in the 10-digit phone number for your office phone. Verify that the number you entered is correct. Next, you can include your 4-digit extension. This is optional. Then left-click Continue. Now your secondary device is set up and you can left-click Continue to login to return to the login page. With your secondary device, you can now select your device at the top of the screen whenever on the authentication screen. When selecting your landline device, you will either select Call Me or get a bypass code by contacting the Information Technology building. When selecting Call Me, you will receive a call on your office phone. When you pick up, it will say something along the lines of, "This is Duo. If you did not push to receive a call from us, hang up. If not, push a button," and you will be required to push a button on your office phone. This will also be indicated after you pick up the phone in the blue bar on your screen. After pushing a button on your office phone, you will then load into your ONU site. If you have any questions regarding Duo, reach out for help by contacting the ONU IT Help Desk at 419-772-1111.